Hi everyone. As Windows 10 support is coming to an end, today I'll show you the easiest way to upgrade to Windows 11. I'll be doing this upgrade and recording the video on an unsupported PC that is more than 11 years old. You won't need a USB flash drive created with Rufus, and we won't touch the registry editor at all. This process is simple, safe, and straightforward. First, I'll open Settings. Let's check my processor information together. This computer used to be quite fast, and I'm confident that Windows 11 won't be slow on this system. If you want to check whether your PC or laptop is compatible with Windows 11, you can use Microsoft's free PC Health Check tool. I've already checked mine, and you'll find the download link in the video description. Most importantly, during this upgrade, all your personal files will be kept. Your settings will remain unchanged. All installed applications will stay. And your Microsoft license will remain valid. What you'll need is a Windows 11 ISO file from Microsoft's official website. Open your browser and search for Download Windows 11 or click the link in the video description. On Microsoft's website, you'll find detailed information about Windows 11. Click the link to download the ISO file. This will launch the media creation tool. Once it's downloaded, open File Explorer, go to your Downloads folder, and double-click the installer. Accept the license terms. On the next screen, you can uncheck the box if you want to change the language. I'll keep it set to English. Click Next. Now select the option to download the ISO file, not the USB option. Choose where to save it. I'll save it on the desktop. Click Save. The download will begin. Once it's finished, we'll continue. Okay, the ISO file has finished downloading. Click Finish to close the media creation tool. To mount the ISO file as a virtual drive, simply double-click the ISO file. Now open this PC and note the drive letter assigned to the virtual disk. On my system, it's drive D. Next, right-click the Start button and select Windows PowerShell, Admin. In the PowerShell window, we'll enter two simple commands. First, type cd-d. Replace D with your actual drive letter if it's different. Then press Enter. Next, type /setup.exe/product server. Then press Enter again. You may see a window that says Install Windows Server, but don't worry, this is completely normal. At the end of the process, your system will be running Windows 11. Click Next, and the installer will begin preparing your PC. Accept the license terms. Now you'll see three installation options. Keep everything. Keep personal files only. Or keep nothing. I'm choosing Keep Everything, so all files, settings, and apps remain intact. Click Next. Windows 11 is now ready to install. If you need to change anything, you can click back. Otherwise, click Install to begin. One important reminder. If you're using a laptop, make sure it's plugged into power. During installation, your PC will restart several times. Please do not turn off your computer. And now, Welcome to Windows 11. The upgrade was successful. As you can see, all my folders, documents, and applications are still here and working perfectly. Let's check the system details. Open Settings, go to System, scroll down, and click About. Here you can see my processor. Even though it's not officially supported, Windows 11 installed without any issues using this method. Now let's check activation. Go back to System, click Activation, and as you can see, Windows 11 is activated with my digital license. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please share it with anyone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and good luck!